Brock the how Brock the Shai Shabbat showing was like up there. It's gonna go into 1 Timothy's 4:12. I'm up as youth. It says in Proverbs 22:1. Again, it have chosen rather than trade silver, gold and silver, one favor and rather than gold and silver, one favor. Yash Mashag. They're saying no says youth. Class towards one, I'm not against youth. Always come out night at night, wants to question them. Let's see how wish my shock. But be the example of believers in word, conversation, charity, spirit and faith, and purity. Till I come, give the entry, teach doctrine. As verse 3, plus he readeth, there is prophecy. Keep those things which are from thy hand. Neglect not concerning thee, which keep the prophecy. Leveling hold the past prophecy. Meditate upon these things. So meditate book of law. Proverbs 1. Bless my work and careful and godly. Someone seeking awful. Bless the in the law. Wash my shag and then the law that meditate day and night and day. For these things, get hold of them. Pardon me for all. Taking on the self doctrine. Telling them we're doing this. So she has something to hear thee. She says once again, Revelations 3:10. These verses are those are already between Mark speaking. But he keep my patience. Always keep my temptation. Which come out world trial and dump on earth. Behold come quickly, and shall come with clouds. Flush their hats. Down to the crown. He overcometh. The pillar and temple of Yahweh. Shall go out no more. And I read about him. My name. I have name of my power, Yamashai, and the new city. I named it the city, which is of my power, which is Yamashai, which is New Jerusalem, come down to heaven. Yahweh and from my new name. Here you'll me here, especially in the churches, which churches towards Asia Minor. Chapter verse 15. Other words than kol ner high. Say kol ner high. Say kol ner high. Speak out my mouth. Because I look warm. Kol ner high. Speak out my mouth. Say once again. Trying to see this man doing. That's James 1:22. We do this matters only. See ourselves. So that faith is much our hearts by mind. Proverbs 22:6. Children always seeking faith, those not understanding scriptures. So here Chan should go when he's young, or with no power from it. As we say from skin to deep football, different judgment with the game. So here, Proverbs 22:1, again I have chosen. Your riches don't look for favor rather than gold and silver and gold. Let's subscribe from skin to football as to have the man Yashal they're seeking at the face, which my shug hearts my mind at least 6:33. First, my seeking which my shug richness all this for you. So Sean's close to go there. 16:10, the only sure structure arch to the safe. So Sean's close to go there. Let's get to the football. The church about to kick my show.